Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are subscribed, welcome back. If you are not subscribed, please do me a favor and hit that subscription button. Also click that thumbs up to like this video. As you can see by the title, this is a how I go from curly to straights, how I blow dry, flat iron my hair, as there are many of these videos floating around YouTube. But if you are interested in seeing how I do so, please stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it very much. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm going to begin to apply my heat protectant to avoid heat damage. And I'm just going to apply that throughout my entire head. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and detangle and make sure the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. Now I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. I find it easier to tassel with my hair this way versus trying to blow dry all my hair at once. And now I'm applying some more heat protectant just to be sure. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm doing the tension method, just stretching out my hair as I run the blow dryer up and down this section. And I like to use my paddle brush to make sure my hair is nice and smooth. And now that I'm done with this section, I just continue the same process throughout my hair. Now that I'm finished blow drying all 4 sections, I like to go back through with the blow dryer setting on cool, and I had it on medium blow drying each section previously, but now I like to put it on the cool setting just to cool off the heat some. And now that that's done, I'm just going through making sure all the tangles are out of my hair. And if you're like me, you know that doing hair is a piece of work, so we have to stay hydrated. And now I'm going to take the flat iron of my choice and I'm going to apply some serum throughout my hair. This is another form of heat protectant to make sure your hair is nice and protected when you're applying heat. now I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections to begin flat ironing. And I like to start off with small pieces. This helps to avoid running the flat iron through my hair multiple times. Because of the thickness of your hair, you don't want to have a thick piece of hair trying to run a flat iron through it and it won't get straight because you have too much hair. So having thinner pieces helps to just only run the flat iron through one time. And you also have to have a good flat iron. I soon realized that using the rat tail comb to do the chase method while flat ironing really does help in smoothing out your ends or your hair in general, because I saw that, as you can see, the first section of my hair was a little bit frizzier than the second section that I did. So I eventually had to go back to the other side to make sure that I get all of my hair looking the same. And now that we're all done, I'm just going to wrap my hair for the night. I did apply some finishing shine spray to my hair. I didn't apply anything else to my hair as I was taking it down. I just let it flow, combed it out, hair roll in my mouth. Most of the time I like to have a part down the middle of my head versus on the side. And as you can see, I'm just doing so to style my hair for the day. My hair is nice and shiny and silky smooth. Got a little bounce to it. And there you have it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are subscribed, welcome back. And if you are not subscribed, please hit me. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are subscribed, hello everybody, welcome. I don't know. What was I going to say? Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are subscribed, welcome back. If you are not, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and also click that thumbs up to like this video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are subscribed, welcome back. If you are not subscribed, please do me a favor and hit that subscription button and also click the